Hello, everyone. We are the Scientists for Education team, and today we're talking about the gene machine, which involves genetic engineering with regards to the production of insulin. Diabetes is actually a major problem in the Philippines and is the sixth leading cause of death, thereby is an important disease for students to learn about throughout their education. As a result, genetic engineering is an important concept for them to also learn about throughout their education, since it's a method that is utilized by the medical field to produce insulin, which is required by a lot of diabetic patients. As a result, what we tend to see is that genetic engineering is actually quite hard for students to understand in high school. It can be a little complicated, even though it's such an important concept to several diseases beyond diabetes. And as a result, we hope to simplify the model through this project or this experiment, make it fun, and engage a lot of students in teamwork activities. So we looked at actually three lesson developments. So the first one is bacteria and plasmid, then we go to genetic engineering, and finally insulin and clinical information. With regards to the first one, we actually made this cardboard like circle that represents our plasmid, and students are then able to cut on the marked areas, acting like enzymes that we actually use throughout the process. Then we go to genetic engineering, which we can see here. This acts as our target gene, which is your human insulin gene, and then students are able to attach it to the rest of the plasmid through these Velcro pieces, forming a recombinant plasmid. Finally, we look at insulin and the clinical information. So they, as a class, can then pile up all their plasmids and push down this kind of cylinder that we have that will then push our syringe, allowing water to come through, and that will actually represent the insulin that they've produced, and they can measure how much insulin they've made as a class. So why this project? It does tackle SDG3, good health and well-being, and is in the Philippines curriculum with regards to genes and genetic engineering in general. Finally, it's an interactive project that utilizes both individual and group interactive learning. Thank you.